A fuel filter is a crucial component of a vehicle's fuel system. Its primary function is to remove contaminants and impurities from the fuel before it reaches the engine. The fuel filter acts as a barrier, preventing dirt, debris, rust, and other particles from entering the fuel injectors or carburetor. Symptoms of a bad fuel filter. 1. Poor fuel efficiency. A compromised fuel filter can disrupt the proper fuel-to-air ratio, resulting in decreased fuel efficiency. You may notice a decrease in the number of miles per gallon your vehicle can achieve. 2. Strange engine noise. The strange engine noise is also a common sign of a bad fuel filter. As the filter goes bad, the engine doesn't receive a proper supply of fuel. Due to that, different parts of the engine may go bad and they may start making noise. 3. Engine hesitation or stumbling. A clogged fuel filter restricts the flow of fuel to the engine, leading to a decrease in performance. The engine may hesitate or stumble during acceleration or at higher speeds. 4. Difficulty starting the engine. As the fuel filters go bad, they don't supply fuel according to the engine requirements. When the vehicle engine doesn't receive fuel properly, then you may have engine starting issues. A dirty filter can lead to an unstable fuel flow, and it may take longer than normal to start the engine. 5. Poor acceleration. Poor acceleration is one of the main signs of a bad fuel filter. The poor acceleration may cause due to many other factors. If not enough fuel flows into the combustor, the computer of the vehicle will limit its output power to stop the engine damage. This is particularly noticeable when accelerating under high loads, for example, when driving downhill. 6. Check engine light. An illuminated check engine light is one of the clear signs of a bad fuel filter. The check engine light is located on the car dashboard. However, this warning light may illuminate due to many other reasons. 7. Fuel smell. If you smell bad after driving, like you are at a gas station, there could be a fuel leak somewhere. If you don't forget to tighten the gas cap, you have something else to think about. The most common causes of fuel leaks are damaged fuel lines, fuel tanks, fuel injectors, carbon canisters, or spark plugs, but damaged fuel filters can also leak and smell like gasoline. 8. Misfire. Insufficient fuel flow caused by a bad fuel filter can result in engine misfires. You may notice the engine running unevenly, with occasional jerking or sputtering. 9. Rough idling. A clogged fuel filter can cause the engine to idle roughly or inconsistently. The engine may shake or vibrate while at a standstill, and you may feel it through the steering wheel or floor.